In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paperform. By the end, you'll know how to build a form, polish its design, set up smart behaviors, and share it confidently. Start by opening your browser and searching for Paperform. On the results page, click the official Paperform website so you land in the right place. Once you're on the home page, click Log In to access your account and head to the dashboard. From your Paperform dashboard, select Create a Form. You'll see a library of over 500 designer-made templates that cover everything from registrations to surveys. If one fits your use case, pick it to save time. If you prefer total control, choose Start from Scratch and begin with a blank canvas. Paperform uses a free text editor, so building is as simple as writing a document. Click anywhere on the page and start typing to add headings, descriptions, or instructions. This makes it easy to draft your form in a natural flow, then refine as you go. For speedy building, use the / shortcut. Type question to add a new field, whether it's text, multiple choice, dates, or more. Type image to insert a picture, and video to embed content from YouTube or Vimeo. These shortcuts keep you in the zone and reduce clicking around. Click any question to open its configuration panel. Here, you can make the question required to ensure essential info is collected, add a default response to guide users, or enable conditional logic. Conditional logic lets you show or hide questions based on answers, great for keeping forms short and relevant. For example, only reveal a follow-up field if someone selects a specific option. Next, open the Theme menu in the top right to customize the look and feel. Adjust fonts, colors, and interface elements to match your brand. You can also switch layouts. Classic displays all questions on one page, while Guided mode walks respondents through step by step. Choose Guided for longer forms to reduce overwhelm, and Classic for quick, scannable experiences. Now decide what happens after someone submits. In the post-submission settings, set up your success page. You can write a personalized thank you message or redirect to another URL. Configure emails to send automatic confirmations to respondents and notifications to your team. Then explore integrations to connect with tools like Google Sheets, Slack, MailChimp, or Zapier so your data flows exactly where you need it. When you're ready, click the View icon to preview the live form and make sure everything behaves as expected. Finally, open the Share menu to copy a direct URL or grab an embed code for your website, inline, full screen, or pop-up. Test a submission, check it on mobile, and you're good to go.